Ever wonder what those double curly braces mean in Angular templates? They're not just decoration. They're one of Angular's most fundamental features. Interpolation in Angular uses the double curly brace syntax to embed expressions directly in your HTML templates. You wrap any expression inside opening and closing curly braces, and Angular knows to evaluate that expression and display its result. This syntax is distinctive and makes it immediately clear where dynamic content lives in your template. But what's really happening under the hood? Interpolation creates a one-way data binding from your component class to your template view. When a property in your component changes, Angular automatically updates the corresponding value in the template. The data flows in one direction, from the component to the view. This makes your UI reactive without you having to manually update the DOM. Angular evaluates whatever expression you put inside those curly braces and converts the result to a string for display. This means you can interpolate numbers, booleans, objects, or even the results of method calls. Angular handles the type conversion automatically, making it easy to display any kind of data in your templates. Let's see this in action. You can interpolate simple properties like title or username. You can access nested object properties like user.name. You can even call component methods like getFullName with parentheses or perform simple expressions like count+1. Interpolation is flexible enough to handle most display logic you need in your templates. So remember, interpolation is Angular's way of displaying dynamic component data in your templates using double curly braces. Master this syntax and you've got the foundation for building reactive Angular applications. Want to level up your Angular skills? Practice with more interview questions. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.